Hi guys, this is Shane Jackson. Today I'm going to start building my CNC router table from Fine Line Automation. What you see in the picture here is the two boxes that contains the complete kit. I'll go ahead and unbox it and show you all the parts. Alright, I'm back. It's actually been 2 weeks since I made the first video. What I was waiting on was this box you see in the right corner. It contained all the hardware and the electronics. So now that I've got that, I can get started building. Okay, the first thing you want to do is lay out the frame. This is 24A, 24B, and 24C. And then this piece is your 14-inch extension. Next, you want to slide two 2-inch carriage bolts into the rear piece, and we'll use those later. Next, you want to slide 2 of the T-nuts into place like such. You slide 2 of the T-nuts in. And those will be used later to mount the stepper motors. You also want to take 2 of the T-nuts and the 5/8 screws. Go ahead and start them a little bit and slide those into the center as such. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and put all these pieces together. Slide those in first. And finally, those. And we'll start just hand tightening these. You don't want to do them too tight because we'll still make adjustments. Okay, another thing you're going to want to do before you tighten any of this down is go ahead and slide the legs on. I'm going to do this side too. Now we'll go ahead and hand tighten the center beams. Okay, now that we've got the frame pretty much just hand tightened and somewhat in place, you'll want to go ahead and take measurements and square everything up and go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, now that we have everything squared up and tightened down, we'll want to go ahead and assemble the bearing blocks. They came shipped with the rod in place. I'll take the cover and place it. Take 2 of the 1/4 inch by 20 screws and place them in. Okay, now that we've got the cover on, we'll take a washer, bearing, and a washer, and insert the shaft coupling. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Washer, bearing, washer, and tighten everything down. Okay, now that we have all that tightened down, take and insert 2 carriage bolts. And we put that in position. Next, we'll take another bearing block. Make sure you put the cover on like that. And insert the 2 screws. And tighten them down, and they will go in there. There we go. Next, we'll take the 40-inch or 40.5 inch lead screw, insert very carefully the anti-backlash nut, okay, and then we'll insert that into the bearing block like that, and insert the lead screw into this coupling, and one of these carriage bolts. Now that we've put the lock nuts on, we just hand tighten them and insert the carriage bolts for the rail. The easiest way to do this is just kind of eyeball line them up and slowly put them in. And we'll do the same for the other side. Next, you want to take something that's flat and position it so that the rails against the outside, or excuse me, the inside and the back. And just hand tighten it from now. Do the same on all 4 corners, and then check everything for squareness. Okay, now that we have all the rails tightened down and everything checked for square, you can go ahead and flip it over and tighten the legs down.